say I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
Good morning, everyone.
After spending a day in Calgary, we're continuing our trip to our next destination.
Yeah! We're heading to Yoho National Park, a place of natural beauty. We're so excited.
If you haven't watched our Calgary vlog, click here and please consider subscribing so you never miss the vlog.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive.
Oh wow, look how beautiful is this. Can we stop here?
Oh, it's amazing.
Wow, we should stop here. This is so beautiful. Wow. I don't know what time we're gonna be in Banff, but if we stop everywhere like that, it's just so beautiful. I'm like speechless.
You know what? This reminds me of Sweden, by the way. I love it. Everything's so organized, so clean. It's like on a painting. I wish our minds are so peaceful and so restful like this place. Many times our minds are like a dirty swamp. That's a good picture for how our minds should be. Restful and peaceful. Well, in this crazy world, that's not an easy task.
This one here looks like a little eagle.
We're halfway to Yoho National Park, and I can see that the temperature right here is 28 degrees by Celsius. That's hot. That's hot.
I love it. We were so scared when we booked the trip because when I checked the weather it was like raining a whole week. But we just took a risk. What time is now? 3 o'clock. So we have an hour more until we get to the Yoho National Park. So we book our lunch there just because it's in the middle of all parks. We're just 2 hours from Jasper National Park, 30 minutes from Yoho Park, 40 minutes from Banff. Park here in one of the picnic areas, and the first thing after we got off the car, oh my god, it's breathtaking. Small, nice town actually, from what we see here.
Yeah.
When we were driving. So we're gonna have a dinner in seafood restaurant. We love seafood.
Very hungry, by the way.
Yeah.
So let's go eat something.
Let's go eat. We're gonna eat tonight at White Tooth Mountain Bistro. It's a seafood restaurant.
The menu here.
Oh yeah, let's see the menu. What are you gonna get? Then you order spinach salad. It looks delicious. I ordered halibut with asparagus.
For those of you who don't know yet, everywhere we go, we order creme brulee and we compare with other places. So far, the winner is in Anguilla Island, Caribbean. Yesterday, we tried one in Calgary. So let's see where this creme brulee in Golden Town is gonna stay.
What do you think? Is Anguilla still #1 on the list? Or this one is gonna beat it?
As a matter of fact, I've never had creme brulee tasted like that.
Really? Now you make me so curious.
It doesn't taste like creme brulee.
What it tastes like?
Like something different.
Don't tell me it's coffee. I hate coffee. Is it Anguilla still #1?
Anguilla beats every one of them.
So far.
So far.
Okay, I can't wait to taste it now.
You're gonna be the judge of it.
Okay.
Okay, this is round 2. Now Lina's gonna taste it.
Coffee, right?
No, it's not coffee. No.
Yeah, it's like a pudding. It's like a caramel pudding. We're done with dinner and we're gonna go check in our lodge. We made it! We finally got here and this is our place. We're going to check in now and it's sprinkling in the moment, so pretty soon it's gonna start raining. So we're just gonna relax tonight. This is our room. Isn't it beautiful? Just in the middle of all this beauty.